Hello everyone, myself Shanaz and I welcome you all to my wonderful world of education system that is MTC-Mustafa Tuition Center. Meet my very lovely MTC kids. Hi kids!
Hi teacher!
How are you all?
Fine teacher!
So what is the day today?
21st!
I didn't ask date, I asked day. What is the day?
Saturday!
Yes, Saturday. So every Saturday here at MTC we break the week, we break the routine, right? We do something different from the other days. Yes, either we do a competition in extracurricular activities or a surprise test or something else, okay? Something interesting, fun learning, okay? So this Saturday also I have planned something for you all. Shall I take a surprise test?
Yes, teacher!
No, but I am not going to take a surprise test. In fact, I am going to tell you all one story, okay? Story. So, story not to sleep. Story to awaken, okay? So I'm going to tell you a story which is exactly, or we can say which is related to the present situation of our beloved country India, okay? So it's a story of the present situation, what is happening in India at present, okay? So I want all of you to, when I'm telling the story, I want you to imagine. Imagine means don't go into dreams, okay? Just imagine how I am telling it and just think of it heartfully, okay? And you judge it, fine? Okay, so this is a story of, long time ago, there was a thick jungle, okay? A thick forest wherein in that jungle there used to live many animals, okay? So in jungle, right? All different kinds of animals, birds, insects are there. Yes, they live. So they are different animals like carnivores, omnivores, herbivores. Yes, all have different habitat. But all these animals, they used to live in peace and harmony. They used to live happily. I know why our Harsh is smiling. I will break that surprise in the end. Okay. So all these animals, they were different animals. Okay, but they used to live peacefully. Okay, peace and harmony means what? They used to live peacefully, no fight. They were friendly with each other. Okay? Herbivores, carnivores, omnivores, insects, birds, animals. Okay? They have their different food habits and different food needs. But they used to live peacefully. No fights. Okay? They were friendly with each other. So nice. And in a very big open field, they used to have musical evenings. Okay, wherein they used to plan musical evenings, wherein they used to sing, they used to dance and enjoy together. Okay, and in this musical events, they used to invite the moon and the stars also. The moon and the stars. Okay, just imagine I'm telling. Okay, so they used to invite the moon and the stars. It is just imagination. Now don't think how they used to invite the moon and the stars. Just imagine. Okay, so they used to invite the moon and the stars as guest of honor. See, when you do some special events, you invite some guest of honor, some special guest to watch your event, to watch your performance and give comments on it. Yes, so they used to invite and they used to enjoy and they live peacefully, and the forest was full of joy and peace and harmony and very friendly environment, friendly atmosphere. Okay, now right, जब सब कुछ अच्छा हो रहा होता है तो you have seen movies and serials I think, yes? जब सब कुछ अच्छा हो रहा होता है तो तभी एक विलन की एंट्री होती है. विलन की एंट्री होने के बाद थोड़ा सा इंटरेस्टिंग हो जाता है ना? तो विलन की एंट्री होती है, उसी के बाद तो एक्शन है. ओके, सो इन दिस फॉरेस्ट ऑल्सो एवरीथिंग वॉज गोइंग स्मूथली एंड देन एंटर्ड वन विलन. Who was that villain? One cunning jackal. One cunning jackal. You know the nature of a jackal? What kind of animal is a jackal? It belongs to that dog and wolf family. Yes, same like that. But jackal is very intelligent animal. Jackal is very intelligent animal, very smart, very cunning. And in short, you can say jackal is very opportunistic omnivore. Omnivore मतलब वो veg और non-veg दोनों खाता है. Okay? So, entered. Now, he saw that the jungle environment is very friendly. The jungle atmosphere is very friendly. All are singing together, dancing together, roaming out together. हाँ, बाहर भी जा रहे हैं, एक साथ जा रहे हैं. No fights, nothing. So he was not getting chance to eat anyone. He was not getting a chance to eat anyone. How? Because everyone are roaming together happily. No fights, no quarrels. He's not finding anyone alone there. So he's not getting chance to eat. So he didn't like it. So what he did, he made a plan. He made a plan and he implemented. And what was that plan? He started going to each animal and he poisoned their minds. He poisoned their minds. Okay, that means he brainwashed. इनफॉर्मल लैंग्वेज में बोलते हैं ना, ब्रेन वॉश किया. हाँ, ही पॉइजन देयर माइंड्स, ही स्पॉइल्ड देयर माइंड्स. ओके, एक के बारे में दूसरे को गलत बताया. ठीक है, मतलब एक दूसरे के खिलाफ उसको भड़काया. एक एनिमल के खिलाफ दूसरे एनिमल को भड़काया. ओके, कुछ ऐसे ऐसे बातें की कि वो भड़क गए. हाँ, ही डिड लाइक दैट, हाँ, ही डिड लाइक दैट, लाइक दैट. सो ही स्टार्टेड पॉइजनिंग एवरीबडीज माइंड. ही स्टार्टेड स्पॉइलिंग द jungle environment, the peaceful environment. Now what happened, his plan started working. His plan started working. Now animals started suspecting each other. अब सब एक दूसरे पर शक करने लगे. सब एक दूसरे पर शक करने लगे, एक दूसरे को डाउट से देखने लगे. No more that close friendships. Okay, no more musical evenings. Okay, no more friendship, no more musical evening, no peace. Now everybody started suspecting. Everybody started building fences, boundaries around their properties, around their houses. Okay, because सब दूसरे पे डाउट आ गया. देखो, जब तक आपको भरोसा होता है आप खुले होते हो. ओके, जैसे आपका मतलब आपको भरोसा नहीं है, you started doubting. Yes or no? And when you start doubting, you will try to protect. You will say, हाँ, you will try to segregate yourself from others. Yes? Yes or no? The same thing this animal started doing. The complete peaceful atmosphere of the jungle got disturbed. Okay? You just imagine, I'm telling you, really imagine. Okay, got disturbed. Now what? No more musical evenings, no peaceful environment, very dull jungle now. Very dull jungle. All the animals, they started roaming alone or roam with से हमारी बिरादरी के लोग के साथ घूमेंगे या फिर अकेले जाएंगे. पहले ऐसे नहीं था. पहले ओमनीवोर, कार्निवोर सब एक साथ घूमते थे. ओके, अब अकेले घूमने लगे तो जैकल को मौका मिल गया. Jackal got a chance. Now he started killing, he started hunting the animals, the birds and started eating them. साथ में थे तो मौका नहीं मिला. వాళ్ళు కలిసి ఉంటే ఛాన్స్ దొరకలేదు. విడివిడిగా చేస్తే బ్రిటిష్ పాలసీ డివైడ్ అండ్ రూల్. yes, okay, so విడివిడి ఉంటే when he found them alone, he started hunting them, killing them, eating them, killing them, eating them. अभी एक एक करके जानवर कम हो रहे हैं. All the animals surprised, what is happening, what is happening? They started doubting, कहीं इसने तो नहीं खाया, इसने खाया होगा, इसने खाया होगा, इसने मारा होगा. They started doubting, actually he is eating, he is killing and eating, and they started doubting each other. Now what to do? Now what to do? Now the moon, who used to attend their musical evenings as a guest of honor, did not like this. Yes, because he used to enjoy seeing them peacefully in harmony. Yes, he used to enjoy watching them living peacefully and in harmony. He did not like it. He said, what is this? ये क्या हो रहा है? ये क्या हो रहा है भैया? ये क्या हो रहा है? उसको पसंद नहीं हुआ. तो चांद ने डिसाइड किया कि he will come down to earth in a different form and solve their problem. So the moon came down to earth in the form of a sadhu. In the form of a sadhu. To solve their problems. To unite them again. And what he did, he started going to each animal and उनकी गंदगी, उनके मन में, उनके हार्ट में, ब्रेन में जो गंदगी जैकल ने भरी थी ना, उसको साफ करने लगे. Okay, then all the animals, they started noticing, yes, something tricky this jackal is doing. Something tricky. We did not realize. Then all the animals, they held a meeting. सब animals एक जगह जमा हो गए, परेशान. और सब नहीं, कुछ तो बात है, कुछ तो हमारे साथ गलत हो रहा है. हम लोग पहले ऐसे नहीं थे, अभी हम लोग सब झगड़ा कर रहे हैं, लड़ रहे हैं, जानवर कम हो रहे हैं, क्या बात है? Then they thought, we'll go to this sadhu and we will request him to help us to solve our problem. Okay, then what they did, they went to the sadhu and they requested him to kill the jackal or to do something and to get them out of this problem. Okay, so what sadhu did, he went to each animal, okay, and he started cleaning their hearts and minds and started telling them, okay, that not to fight, be friendly like how they were before. Yes, live peacefully, don't keep those doubts and suspicious behavior. Okay, he started cleaning and all the animals, they again slowly started reuniting. They again slowly started building that friendly environment or friendly atmosphere in the jungle. Now the jackal was not happy. How can he be happy? वो लोग अलग अलग थे, इसको फ़ायदा था. अब मिल गए तो इसका फ़ायदा नहीं होता है. Now he is not getting again chance to hunt them. So he was angry on the sadhu now because he is the one who is uniting them. He was angry. So he was looking for a chance to kill the sadhu. So one fine day what happens, the jackal will go to the hens to attack them and eat them as prey. So what the sadhu will do, sadhu will go there and he says that you leave the hens and take me as your meal. मुझे खा जाओ, वो मुर्गियों को छोड़ दो और मुझे खा जाओ. Okay, so jackal was waiting for this opportunity. है कि नहीं? ये तो हो गई दावत, है ना? वो तो वेट ही कर रहा था. एक तो उसे साधु को मारना था, ऊपर से खाना भी मिल गया आराम से. Okay, so he was waiting for this opportunity. The sadhu gave that opportunity. He offered himself as a meal to the jackal. Then what the jackal did? The jackal took him deep into the jungle there. What we say? He killed the sadhu. He made it into pieces, and he ate sadhu. He ate. Okay. Then what happened? The animals were feeling very sad. Obviously, yes. But then after some time, his stomach started bloating. बड़ा हो गया उसका पेट. बड़ा हो के blast हो गया. How can he swallow? He was moon, right? So it blasted and the jackal died. And when the jackal died, one peaceful slow sound came saying, giving a message to all the animals saying that all of you please live in peace and harmony. Don't fight, be friendly with each other and break your fences, break your boundaries. Before they all were living without boundaries, happily, without any fences, yes, without suspecting, just live like that before. Okay, and the animals got this message and they started living happily. Okay, fine. Again they started having the musical evenings and the happy environment. So why I told this story? Because this is the story of the present condition of India now. Can you relate it? Can you relate it? That thick jungle in the story is our beautiful India. Is our beautiful India. And all the animals in the jungle that you heard, carnivore, omnivore, insects, birds, animals, all that are the different human beings that we live in India. See, in India, some are pure vegetarian, some are egg vegetarian, some are non-vegetarian. Okay, some are Hindus, some are Muslims, some are Christians, some are Sikh, and different religions. Yes, we all are. Yes, we are living together happily. Yes, but there are some. In the story, there was one jackal, but in India, there are many jackals that have entered already. Yes, and they have started poisoning the minds. Don't live in peace. Don't live in peace. Religious fights. That is the easy target. Religion is the, most targetable topic. Yes, so they target on religion. That is how you can make people fight. You cannot make people fight on money like that. You can make people fight on religion. Really. Now think seriously. I know you people are not that big. I know you people are just 9, 10, 11, 12 most probably. Yes, not that big. But still I want all of you to think seriously about it because today's children are tomorrow's citizen. Yes, today you are children but tomorrow you are the citizen of India. You are India's tomorrow. Yes, India ka kal ho. Yes, Manoj? Okay, so think seriously about it. So these jackals, they have entered our India and they have started poisoning the minds. Yes, they have started creating fights among the Muslims, among the Hindus, yes, between the different religions. Yes, started poisoning the minds, started poisoning the hearts. People are doubting each other, suspecting each other, blaming each other. Yes, same thing happening. Then what to do? What is the solution? Now is there any sadhu, is there any moon who's watching us and will come down as sadhu and help us out? No, right? Then what to do? How can we protect ourselves from these jackals? Tell. How can we protect? Be so strong that no one can easily, put poison in your mind. Keep the doors of your heart and your mind so strong for humanity so that no jackal can come and spoil your heart and mind for the other human. कोई एक इंसान आपको दूसरे इंसान के खिलाफ भड़काता है, नुकसान पहुंचाने की बात करता है, then that is a poison. It's poison. Any religion, it doesn't matter. Any religion, it doesn't matter. Yes, the biggest religion is what I say always. Which is the biggest religion? Humanity. Which is the biggest religion? Humanity. After this, all other religions. Okay, humanity is the biggest religion that we need to follow. Did you understand, kids? Okay, so I want all of you to be a good human first. If you are a good human, you can be a good Indian, you can be a good mother, you can be a good daughter, sister, teacher, doctor, whatever, wherever you enter, you will be good in that. First, be a good human. First, be a Did you understand? Have love, peace, respect for the other human. Okay? What you don't like for yourself, you cannot do that for others. If something is painful for you, it is equally painful for the other person also. So we should not think of hurting others. We should not think of hurting others. A true human will not hurt other human unnecessarily. Okay? Fine? So don't get provoked by all, jackals. Don't get provoked. There are many jackals all around us who will try to provoke us, who will try to create fights. But you should not listen to them. Don't care about that. Okay? See, now you all are sitting. Okay? You all are from different religions. Yes, we all are studying together, happily, friends, as a team, as a family, in schools, as well as in tuition, and wherever you go. Yes, in college, in university, at your workplace. Yes, different religious people, you work together and happily. So unity is strength. What is the moral of the story? Unity is strength. Yes, united you stand, divided you fall. What happened in the jungle? Yes, when they all were united, the jackal could not hunt and kill anyone. But once they started fighting and got separated, the jackal started hunting. So now, those jackals actually want to get profit from us. Yes? So we are united, so they are not able to make any profit. So they want to divide us on the religion basis and on some stupid topic so that they can get some profit. So you want to get them succeed? You want to get their plan successful? Yes, they are implementing that plan. They have made that plan, they are implementing that plan, and they are thinking that the plan will work. Of course, God is there. Okay, and He will punish those who will do harm to the other human. Yes, but still, I want you all to be strong-hearted, strong-minded. Okay? Fine? So all those who are watching, if you like the efforts of MTC and this message, okay, if you can relate this story of peace and harmony. By the way, this lesson, this story which I told, it is there in 6th standard, English, first lesson, peace and harmony, yes? That's why Harsh was smiling when I started the story. Okay, so you all have listened it before, right? But I think you did not relate it to the present situation of India. Now you can relate it? Is it true? Okay, so all those who are watching, my students, parents, and all the viewers, if you can really relate this story to the present situation of India, then please
Like, share, and subscribe. Our channel MTC-Mustafa Tuition Center. Thanks for watching.
Yeah, please like us, subscribe our channel, and keep motivating us. Thank you.